This often happens to me out on the bike path. I hear a noise or I see something and I'm not sure what it is, and then I go home and try and figure it out. Can you hear the noise? This is a little slough area along the path. It floods probably any time that we have too much rain. In the winter it's all iced over and it's spectacular out there. And then in the summer it turns like to a green moss. And sometimes I'll see ducks playing out here, but right now it's this noise that I'm determined to figure out what it is when I get home.